Hey, welcome back to the mining cabinet. Thought I would post the update to my Unmineable video, the KS0 Unmineable. This is my Kaspa Pool dashboard. I've since put it back on Kaspa Pool, although it's predicting now we're down to less than 100 Kaspa per day, $3.65. So this really isn't an apples to apples test because just in the 2 days since I've done the test, this has gone down. But I couldn't really see it at the same time because if I have a KS0 and Unmineable, I can't see what it's doing on a Kaspa Pool or, in this case, Kaspa Pool. But let's look at the results. So I put this in when I was done, 0.01556, which was $4.02. Now I had a couple of issues. The internet at my house went out for about an hour and 30 minutes. So, well, I guess I wasn't home, but kind of looking at some other things, especially my chia farmer, seemed to be pretty accurate when the internet was down and back up. So I let the test run a little longer. So let's be honest, this isn't exactly 24 hours, but I think this is somewhere between 23 and 26 hours. But as you can see, it got 0.0155 or 0.00015596, which is $4.02 worth of Bitcoin. So I may continue right now. I was kind of wanting to stack more Kaspa, as I only have 5,000 Kaspa. So hopefully I can stack a little more, but this 24-hour number is dwindling. So I guess when it gets down around $1 a day, I'll probably start playing with Unmineable some more, just trying to chase profitability, chase coins that maybe just sell every day and make a little money and just hold on to this small bag of Kaspa I have, which I figure that's only going to be a week or two, maybe tops, with all the new miners coming out, the KS3 miners. So if it goes another 10 days, that's going to be another not even 1,000 Kaspa. So maybe I can get 6,000. I was hoping that by the time the KS3s came in, I'd have over 10,000 Kaspa, but that's not how it's working out. So as everybody knows, the hash rate's going through the. It's not even going through the roof. It's not even going to the moon. It's going to another planet. It's going to another solar system. Um, so yeah, that's it. Again, if you're wondering how to put your um, Kaspa miner on Unmineable, if you go to Unmineable and click on K heavy hash, it tells you that that's the stratum, and then you have different ports depending on the speed, size of your ASIC. So I have a KS0, so I use port 4445, and then you can pick what coin you want to get paid out in. I think there's almost 80 different coin on here. Some I've never even heard of, like hollow, hot, whatever, gas. But there's others we've heard of: Polygon, Chainlink, Saya Coin. I say Saya Coin, Shiba Inu, which I'm a Shiba Inu millionaire, not to brag. I got a little bag of Safe Moon, which I got on Unmineable. I've got some Monero, got some Zilliqa, and dual mining on my Apollos, Octaspace, and Zilliqa. I've got some Ripple, I've got some Nano. So I try to go in and mine some different coins, build a little bag. I didn't get them on Unmineable, but I have some Chainlink and some Matic and some Avalanche, which is up here. I actually am building a bag of Dogelon Mars. It's quite funny. If anybody's watching this. That's not it. There it is. Let's refresh. So on your Elon Doge, The minimum payout is 20 million. Make sure it's right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 20 million. So you can see I got 12 million. So I'm gonna build up a bag of 20 million and then get off of this. But I thought it'd be funny to have a bag with 20 million anything. And you can see right now I have a Z9 Mini, which I don't know why it's only getting 2.33 kilosouls. It's supposed to be getting 10, but I'm messing with it right now. I don't feel like it. Evidently it's been getting better a little earlier. It's going up down. Then I've got 2 X4 bricks. So I'll just let that do its thing, and yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. So at least to the naked eye, it looks like that mining another coin on Unmineable may be more profitable than mining Kaspa. But like I said, right now I'm going to just build a bag of Kaspa till it, gets down to 30 or 40 Kaspa per day, and it's not worth it. And then I'm going to chase the money, try to make some profits. Like I said, probably just get some coins and sell regularly. Probably not coins I want to hold, but just the ones that are going to be the most profitable. So please like and subscribe, leave any comments, ask any questions. I'll try to help and answer anything I can. Thanks again.